My name is Dr. Shona Darcy and I work in the area of connected health here in Novartis. So that's all around bringing sensors and technology into clinical trials, but also how we care for people at home using remote patient monitoring. One of the most exciting things about technology is helping older people live at home for as long as possible. One of the most awful things about getting older is losing your independence and having to go into a care home. We have so many technologies available at the moment that will allow people to live at home independently that bit longer, and it makes the world of difference to people's lives. I think I was always very confident, and maths and science were my bread and butter in school. And of course, growing up in Ireland many years ago, being a girl in that environment was quite tough. But I loved engineering. Even there was about 30% girls, 70% boys when I did it. I did my degree in 1995, and I really enjoyed doing it. I think it's really important to see the different types of opportunities that are out there. I mean, when I did engineering for my undergraduate degree, I did a PhD in signal processing for accents of the British Isles, and now I work in a pharma company. It's really interesting how the journey that people can have, and I think an event like Tech Week will really, hopefully, highlight the different paths that people can take. When I started engineering and technology, it was very much based around the idea of an engineer was very much a geeky boy building bridges or sitting in a room programming. But I think that's developed an awful lot more, and companies like Apple and Google have made it a lot more interesting and a lot more varied. So people with a bit of an artistic, I guess, interest can still be in technology. I think the explosion of bioengineering and biotechnology, bringing, particularly in my role, where you're looking at technology in terms of caregivers, is huge, and I think there's a huge opportunity there for girls. Don't worry so much about the future, don't worry about the massive decisions that you're making right now. They don't necessarily have to impact the rest of your life. They're only going to impact the next few years, and there'll be plenty more decisions where you can change your path down the road.